Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, we're gonna go through your plays, guys. We're gonna analyze who is leading the ranking on the trading games, and Christmas is coming. So for December, I want to organize some special Christmas games where basically I'm gonna increase the prize pool. So for those who are on Discord, just go and check it out. It's just I want to give back, guys, some of the love that you're giving me. I'm so grateful that you're here supporting me on Discord, that you without you this adventure could not happen. So I'm very, very grateful for that, and I'm so happy to see that you are learning things. And that's the purpose of those games, is that you show me the trades that you want to do, you give me the reasons why you do your trades, and we analyze it together. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna have a look at the top 3 players. All right, so we have Amanda, we have John Lilly, and we have Skipper. So they all have a few plays, so we're gonna try to go through all those plays. For now, we have 17 players for the months of November, and for December, I hope we're gonna have more players. But even if we don't, like I said, guys, I want to give back some of the love you're giving me. And whatever the number of players, I have already posted in Discord, so you can have a look at that. What is gonna happen for December. So let's start with Amanda and her 3 plays. She's leading the ranking. She's not using leverage. Her best play is Riot. All right, so she bought Riot on the 19th of November at 33. Did she use a stop loss? She had a stop loss at 26.5. All right, and she made 12% out of it. So let's have a look. And the reason: support, resistance, trend line, fib ratio, retest. Okay. All right. So Riot, what do we have? So bam. Okay. So this is Riot on the daily time frame. We indeed here have this trend line that is showing us that we're correcting, and we had a breakout here around 32, 33. We pushed higher, and then we corrected, and we came back to the breakout area, which is called a retest. And Amanda bought on the retest at 33. Very well done. So we indeed have the support. This looks like a first wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see the fib ratio of the second wave. 61.8% is at 32.5. So it's indeed a fib ratio that is usual for second waves. So very well done, Amanda. This play makes a lot of sense. Let's see if we're able to start this third wave here. It will depend a lot on the Bitcoin, but I'm very bullish on the Bitcoin, so it looks very good. We had already a position that we built between here and here, so that's why we didn't increase our position here, but it's a very nice trade. So congratulations and well done. What is the next trade? So BEKE is only doing 1.5%. I'm not gonna go through this today. I'm gonna focus on MTTR. All right, so here divergence, RSI, nice consolidation before the move. So I checked that just before, and indeed here we have a trend line that has been broken. Okay, then we have this very strong move up. So Amanda entered on the 18th of November, so around here. So indeed here we have a strong move up, and before that we have here some consolidation. I would not call it a nice consolidation, Amanda, because for a consolidation to be nice, we like to have the Bollinger Bands that are tight, and I can already see they are not here. Okay, here they were tight, so here we have a nice consolidation. Okay, and then we had this strong move up that then got retested anyways, and then we pushed higher. But this is not a nice consolidation to me. Maybe if I go on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the first time frame, it's a nice consolidation. So fair enough. It makes sense. And then we have the strong move up. So let's see if we're able to push higher. I would draw a trend line here. And basically, if we are able to close above 30, we would probably push higher, especially that this is the all-time high that we are hovering around for the past week here in March. All right, we were at 28. So it looks like we are breaking out from this as well. So this is not done yet. We can still be rejected here. But it's looking great because we have this breakout with us. We have the momentum with us. We are supported by the 20-day moving average that is coming here. You can see here one reaction here. Here it was acting as resistance. So now it makes sense that it's acting as support. So yeah, this play makes a lot of sense. You didn't take any profits or stop loss here. Yes, stop loss at 23. Yeah, you can even put your stop loss slightly above. I mean, at that time, 23 makes sense. Okay, I would maybe use 24. Right now, I would use the 20-day moving average as a stop loss. So 24.33, I would be just below 24. And every day I would increase that, okay? In order to follow this 20-day moving average, if you want to have more room, you can use the 50. You can see we had one reaction here and almost one reaction here. So I prefer the 20 for those moves, but the 50 is working too. It just gives you more room. So very well done, Amanda. You are number one. You made 20% for now. You did 3 plays on the 10th, 18th, and 19th of November. So for now, you are leading the ranking. So if you finish first, you're going to, of course, get the reward that has been announced on Discord. All right. Then number 2, John Lilly with a bearish trade. All right. So John Lilly shorted Rivian, okay, on the 17th of November, just because of the volume. But guys, volume is everything, so that makes sense. Let's have a look at that. I think I've checked this play already before. Let's have a look at it again. John Lilly, very, very nice. So based on volume, so what did you see, John? Okay, you see that we are pushing higher, but with a decreasing volume. So this is what we can call a volume divergence. It's more obvious on the daily time frame. I don't see it here very well because here the volume looks stable, but I don't like to look the volume on the daily, on the 4 hours. It looks like something is missing. So, okay, you shorted Rivian. Do you have any target, any stop loss? Target 130. Ah, but you are done already. Okay, I didn't see, but look here, the target 1. So you reach your target and this PNL is closed actually. So you reached, we are right now at 107. So you could have pushed higher, more, like lower. The price could have pushed lower, but very nice trade. Very, very well done. So you locked in 17%. So Amanda is still exposed to the market. So maybe John is gonna be first if we have some corrections on BEKE, MTTR or Riot. So let's see what's gonna happen. And the last one, Skipper, brother. Very well done. I'm happy to see you here. So you are roughly flattish, okay? Only up 0.2% because you have 3 plays. But basically you have 1 play that cost you a bit on Bitcoin and you have a play that helped you to make 8%. So we're going to go through this one and it is interesting to see, guys, 17 players and you can see that only the top 3 is positive this month. So it's just showing you guys that these markets are not easy, all right? Making money is not easy and the best one is making 20%, which is a very nice performance without using leverage. Some of the players are using a lot of leverage. I can see ×3, ×5. They are not on the ranking. So I don't know if it's related or not, but I'm very happy to see some nice trades here and some players that are able to generate nice profits. So Skipper, let's analyze your play. So CWH, all right, nice consolidation before the move. It's been broken out, a rectangle on the daily. Okay. A rectangle or triangle? A rectangle. Okay, fair enough. Let's check. And nice consolidation before the move. And you bought at 42. Okay. 4th of November. All right, at the very beginning. So you bought at 42. So I'm going to put here your buying order. Bam, 42. Here, very well done. Very well done. So once again, I don't see here. Yeah, okay, why not? We have some consolidation here. I would personally use this breakout. Okay, and now I see the consolidation better. Here we consolidate, but then I don't like to see that. Okay, guys, for a breakout to be perfect, once again, we want to see the best indicator is Bollinger Bands. We want to see them as tight as possible before the breakout. So here they were very tight, but then we moved down before moving higher. So it still got positive results. So it's good, but I'm just telling you what I'm personally looking for when I post my alerts. I'm trying to find something with very tight Bollinger Bands here that shows that we have a lot of energy in the market. But here we are, the breakout, we retested it. We are trading above the moving averages and we just closed above the recent high. So this is looking great. Did you use a stop loss, brother? Of course, stop loss 40, very tight. So buying 42, stop loss 40. I would have used the stop loss slightly below, but nice, well done. We traded at 40.20. Okay, so very well done. A stop loss just here. I usually in this situation when I buy the retest, guys, try to find, you can switch the time frame, try to find where you have the moving averages. Usually they are all in the same area. Okay, so here it's pretty obvious on the daily time frame, all the moving averages were between 38 and 39. So I would have personally used a stop loss maybe below the 20, around 38, 38.5, something like this. And I would have been buying a little bit lower as well. So very well done, congratulations. So this is it, guys. Once again, thank you so much for playing. We have only 17 players right now. If we have 2 more players for the month of November, we're gonna increase the prize pool. Once again, come to Discord if you're not there to see it. Otherwise, it's the only place you can see it. I don't want to disclose that here for now. And for Christmas, once again, guys, we're gonna have a bigger prize pool. I hope that there are gonna be a lot of you coming to play. I really enjoy checking what you are doing. And I just want to let you know, guys, that I'm spending a lot of time right now to try to create some trainings for you, some course, but it takes a lot of time. It's not gonna be ready right away, but once it's gonna be ready, we're gonna be able to even better emphasize on what is the best setup to trade, on all the different rules that we need to use to have a good risk management, to find the best plays and to make profits consistently. But once again, this is not ready yet. It's gonna come in maybe 1 month. I'm doing my best, working a lot. And once again, guys, I'm so grateful that you are here with me every day on Discord. And I hope this adventure will last even longer. So thank you very much. And I see you when I'm back to France. See you guys.